Welcome to Amazing Animal Fun Facts. Get ready to dive into the wild world of animals and discover some incredible and fun facts about our furry, feathered, and scaly friends. The majestic elephant. Did you know that elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? They can weigh as much as 14,000 pounds. Elephants are also known for their incredible memory and strong social bonds. The speedy cheetah. Ever wondered who holds the title for the fastest land animal? It's the cheetah. These amazing cats can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The colorful peacock. Peacocks are famous for their stunning tail feathers. The males display these colorful feathers to attract females. Each feather is adorned with eye-catching eye spots that shimmer in the light. The clever octopus. Octopuses are masters of disguise. These intelligent sea creatures can change their color and texture to blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators. The playful dolphin. Dolphins are known for their playful behavior and high intelligence. They communicate using a series of clicks and whistles and can even recognize themselves in mirrors. The tiny hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny but mighty. These small birds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second and are the only birds that can fly backward. The fascinating frog. Frogs come in a rainbow of colors, and some can even change their hue. They have permeable skin that allows them to absorb water and oxygen directly from their surroundings. The wise owl. Owls are symbols of wisdom and have incredible night vision. Their eyes are specially adapted to see in low light, and their heads can rotate up to 270 degrees. Thanks for joining us on this adventure through the animal kingdom. We hope you enjoyed these fun facts about our amazing animal friends. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more exciting videos about the natural world. See you next time.